Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl MissNesee back at again with another video. And for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be creating a wishing jar. If you're new here, welcome. I post travel, lifestyle, and motivational content. So if that's something that you're interested in, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely stick around because I'm going to be creating more videos similar to this. Alright? And for all my returning babies, welcome back, my god and goddess. Welcome back. To start off this video though, I'm basically just going to be describing what a wishing jar is, the supplies that you will all need to get started, when to use it, and then the golden rule that you must use whenever you are creating wishes or writing down any type of affirmations in general, okay? So for starters, wishing jar just means, it's our hopes and our dreams and some of our desires, the things or events that we want to see come true, right? Or things that we hope to be fulfilled, okay? So that's essentially like what a wish is. But whenever we're talking about wishing jars, we are writing down our goals, desires, affirmation, words of encouragement, ideas for the future, happy thoughts, right? And we're putting it inside of the jar, and then whenever we may need it, whenever we feel discouraged, or whenever we may need just a reminder to let us know, hey, like, you're him, you're her, you're they, you're them. You're gonna put your hand in a little jar, take it out, open it up, and be reminded of just that. Or you're just gonna read the affirmation, if you're in the mirror and you're doing your daily affirmations for the day or your nightly affirmations. Whichever the case may be, the wishing jar comes in handy. It's just a really great place to start and to kind of bring in 2023. I know you guys also see my little ears. It's October 1st, so I wanted to welcome in the holidays the right way, or my birthday month the right way, okay? The supplies, I just went to the dollar store, y'all. This was $1.25. Just saying. Come on now, or if you have any mason jars laying around the home, you guys feel free to use that, or you can put it in the box, whatever the case may be. You need a pen and some paper. We're going to be taking the paper and ripping it up and putting it inside the jar. And then you also just need a positive space and a positive mindset and love and positive energy, right? I have my beautiful Insta here. It is promoting peace and stability right now. It's helping me get through this video. But since we are turning our ideas into reality and we're bringing our thoughts to the physical realm, we want to have a positive environment, a positive space, because we want these ideas and these dreams and these goals to hold power, right? And we want to put that in the jar. So it's a very powerful thing that we're doing.
Hey guys, so the audio messed up for this part. I don't know what happened, but basically personal rule that I think should be a golden rule is to make sure that you're writing out your messages to yourself or your wishes in present tense, okay? When you think about it, you're going to be sending this message to your future self, but in the future, you're going to be your present self. So you want to speak as if you have it already. That's also combined with the laws of the universe. You don't want to speak as if you're going to have it or you had it already. So you don't want to speak in past tense or future tense. You want to say it and state your wishes, your desires, your goals, your dreams, or your affirmations in present tense, okay? And that's what makes it even more powerful, because when you open up the message, you're going to read it as if it's happening in that very moment. And especially if you've been working towards it, it's going to give you even more speed and more momentum and more inspiration to get it done.
So I'm going to just rip this paper here and begin my wishes. Oh, I forgot to light my candle. So I just finished wrapping up my last wish, and this is the jar. It's filled to the brim. I may put a few more in there, but for the most part, I pretty much got out everything that I wanted to state. I wrote out a lot of the affirmations that I tell myself in the morning. I wrote out my dreams, my aspirations, and the things that I'm looking forward to in the future. I just wrote it out as if I have it now in the present moment, because those are some of the laws of the universe. And then you want to put the action towards it for it to be fulfilled and come into fruition. So yeah, I wish I can see you all. Maybe you guys can tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is going to be MissNesee. I'm going to link it right here, or maybe, but it's literally just MissNesee. So if you guys create your wishing jar with me, feel free to tag me in your post or on your story, and I will repost it on mine. Like, let me see what your wishing jars look like. The last thing that I wanted to do though was just put some flowers in it to symbolize life. Even though these are fake flowers, it's a symbolism, okay? YouTube family, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video and tuning in. Don't forget to love yourself first, and of course love me, y'all. I hope that your dreams and wishes comes true. I hope that you shot for the stars, and let's end out the rest of this year with a bang. Anyways, MissNesee is out. Later. Mwah.